Knee pain is pain that can occur due to dozens of reasons that can be seen in many people of all ages. It is more common in children and the elderly. Leg pain can occur for many different reasons, such as meniscus or knee strain. Knee pain is one of the most common joint pains. Our knees are one of our most used joints during the day. For this reason, chronic pain in the knee should be considered. These Bs can occur due to meniscus or rheumatism when going up and down stairs. Home remedies can also be produced with herbal and natural methods that are good for knee pain. So how does knee pain go? What is good for knee pain at home? How is kneecap pain treated? What is good for knee and leg pain? Here are the causes of knee pain and suggestions that are good for knee pain. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment on the video before moving on to the video. If you're ready, let's move on to the video. Knee pain, which occurs due to many reasons, greatly reduces the quality of life of a person. Knee pain that makes walking difficult is severe. Knee pain is caused by diseases such as osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, rheumatism, and meniscus. In order to relieve knee and kneecap pains, first of all, it is necessary to strengthen muscles, joints, and bones. Diseases such as calcification and rheumatism are the main causes of knee pain. However, it can cause pain in the knees for dozens of different reasons that have been identified and diagnosed. As the age progresses, there is weakness in the joints with the weakening of the fibers. As a result, the knees, which have a cartilage structure, lose their former strength. Knee health is extremely important and can lead to serious complications if not given enough attention. Especially after a certain age, rheumatism or kneecap pain is common. However, problems such as the meniscus are mostly caused by injury or accidental stretching of the muscles. For such cases, there are some methods to fix the problem. What are the causes of knee pain? Overweight or obesity, vitamin or mineral deficiency, inactivity, extremely intense and challenging exercises, osteoarthritis, meniscus, osteoporosis, rheumatism, old age, knee infections, sudden injuries and sprains, muscle weakness, pregnancy. Do's and don'ts for knee pain sufferers. Determine an exercise program for knee pain and apply it regularly. As your muscles move, they will develop and the pain will be relieved. Cardio movements such as walking, swimming, and water sports in knee pain greatly contribute to the reduction of pain. People with knee pain are at higher risk of falling. They need to take precautions and walk carefully. Excess weight puts pressure on the knees. Losing weight will also relieve pain in the knees. Comfortable and ergonomic shoes should be preferred for knee pain. Movements that require a lot of movement should be avoided. Regular sleep has a positive effect on pain. What is good for knee pain? In order to relieve kneecap pain, it is necessary to strengthen especially the joints, muscles, and bones. In this regard, it is possible to eliminate kneecap pain through natural and herbal solutions. These simple methods, especially to be applied at home, allow a significant reduction in knee pain. Here are the miracle methods that are good for knee pain. Onion slice. The remedy for foot pain is onion, but you don't have to eat it. You can get rid of all your pain with a slice of onion in your socks. Onion, one of the most widely used vegetables on the table, is very rich in nutritional value. Onion, which is rich in vitamins A, B, and C, as well as potassium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, phosphorus, and sulfur minerals, is good for many diseases thanks to the other active ingredients it contains. There are 7,000 nerve endings in the foot nerve endings. Onion slices eliminate the pain when placed in the area of rheumatic pain or inside the foot and wrapped with a stretch or stocking. Onion slices open the airways until morning when placed at the bedside in a closed room. Onion, when applied to the chest in the form of porridge, has an expectorant effect. The use of onion for knee pain. Before going to bed in the evening, cut a medium-sized onion in half. Then tie the slices of red onion cut in half to the aching area of your knee and wrap it with cling film and wrap it with a clean cloth. In this way, you can wait until morning and get it from your knee when you wake up in the morning. This application is continued for 3 days. At the end of 3 days, you will see that you have knees like steel. Carrots have been used for joint pain since ancient times. To relieve the pain in the knees, 2 carrots are grated and consumed raw. It can also be consumed by adding lemon juice to it. It has a pain-soothing effect. Fenugreek seeds can also be used for joint pain in the knees. Put 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in water at night. In the morning, this water consumed by filtration. It helps to shorten the healing process. Rice can also be used for pain in the knees. Boiled rice is turned into porridge. After keeping it in the refrigerator for a while, it is applied to the aching area. This method reduces pain and swelling. Cinnamon is a very effective food in soothing knee pain, especially when used with honey. Treatment method with cold compress, especially if there is a knee pain that starts as a result of a sudden impact or falling. You can reduce these pains by applying cold to the aching area. What you need to do is to take a few pieces of ice from the freezer, place it in a bag, wrap it with a clean cloth and leave it on the aching area for a while. Okra seed, which you can easily obtain from herbalists, provides important support to the health of bones, muscles and joints. All you have to do to take advantage of this feature of okra seed, which is known to minimize pain caused by fluid losses in the knees, is to consume okra seed tea. After consuming this tea, which relieves knee pain when used regularly for 2 weeks, do not forget to take a break for at least a week and then continue again. Ginger is one of the substances known as natural pain relievers. Thanks to the antioxidant properties in its content, ginger, which helps to reduce pain, can be evaluated in different ways. Carefully apply ginger oil, which you can obtain from herbalists, to the aching area. You can brew and drink fresh or powdered ginger tea, or mix it with ingredients such as honey and olive oil. Just like ginger, turmeric is a powerful source of antioxidants. As such, it becomes one of our biggest supporters against pain and is among the natural pain relievers. To take advantage of this feature, you can include turmeric in many recipes you make. Brew your tea, apply it directly to the area looking for its oil, or consume it by mixing it with ingredients such as honey and milk. Sycamore leaf is one of the most natural materials that contributes to the strengthening of bones. To benefit from these effects of sycamore leaf, which is known to be good for calcification and rheumatism, you can brew it like tea, apply this dark-colored water to the painful areas and wait. Turmeric and ginger are known as herbs that contain anti-inflammatory properties in nature. Boil 3 glasses of water and add a teaspoon of ginger and turmeric into it. This mixture is cooked for 20 minutes. It is filtered and after adding a little honey, it is consumed up to 2 glasses a day. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to follow our current videos. See you in other videos. Bye.